Welcome to behind the scenes of Advertsuite. In this demo, I'm not only going to show you the key features you're going to be getting for a one-time tiny investment with a double your money back guarantee. I'm also going to show you how people are using Advertsuite to monetize this and make some serious money on the day of purchasing. So let me show you right now. Advertsuite shows you every single Facebook ad in the world. I can search through keywords, through advertisers, for example, competitors, or even domain names. So if there's a website that I want to know if they're running ads about, I can see those ads and then see which ones are winning and which ones are losing, so I don't have to replicate any of the ads that are losing. For example, here we're going to search for keyword. I'm going to search for the keyword in the ad text itself. You can also search for that keyword in the comments or even on the landing page, which is where the actual ad takes you to. For this example, we're going to click on ad text. Now I can sort ads by any of these different drop downs, running the longest, the most likes, the most comments, shares, or views. I'm going to click on likes for now. There's a bunch of other areas we can click through here. We can see if ads are running to a ClickFunnels page, a lead pages page, if they're doing a funnel at all. I can search for e-commerce ads, so all the ads in the world that are running to a Shopify, Magneto, or a WooCommerce store. But for this example, let's type in something like burgers. Say I was doing local marketing for a local restaurant and they sell burgers as their main product, or say I have my own burger joint. I could do this simply just here. Boom, hit search, let it pull up all the different ads related to burgers. Here we can now go through them, and as I've segmented them from likes, I can scroll down and I can see all the most engaged ads anywhere around the world. But that's not where it stops. I'm going to go down here and find an ad that I like and I want to replicate myself. Then I actually want to see the audience that are actually engaging with this ad. So scrolling down, you might see something that pops into your imagination that you want to replicate, that you like. This one here looks pretty cool and that looks pretty yummy, 2.4 thousand likes. I'm going to see the details of this ad here. And boom, this was a Memorial Day weekend ad, and this got a lot of engagement on it. I can click here to see the ad live on Facebook, but this is the interesting information here. The people that have engaged with this ad that have been targeted are males. So boom, instantly know this ad works well to being targeted to males. And the United States they've used as their targeting for this ad itself, which you then don't have to guess where to target the ad to. These are the engaged users of this post itself here. I can then click on here to see the actual landing page that the site goes to. And it's this site here, and we can then go in and replicate this. Remember, the landing page is just as important as the ad, because that is where you're trying to send the users to and get the most engagement and start to make some money. Let's go into a different example here. Here in this example, I searched for the keyword fitness. I then segmented it out through likes, and I want to see all the ads that are running to a ClickFunnels page, so a funnel opt-in here. So again, I can click on any of these ads. This one has 13,000 likes. Boom, click on that. Now I can see this has been targeted directly to females, and again in the US. I can click on the ad to learn more here. I can read more about the ad to see what they put in their text here, and I can see their ClickFunnels opt-in page here. This funnel obviously is working extremely well for this user with so much engagement, and I can then replicate this myself for my own product. Here's another example. I just searched for fitness in general. I didn't click a funnel, I didn't click an e-commerce platform, I just searched for fitness and I filtered it by likes. So I can then click on the details for this ad here, and I then want to have a look at what this looks like on Facebook. And these guys are doing an ad where they're asking you to PM them for more information on this. They've got 3.6 thousand comments here, and people are going to be asking for PMs. So PM sent, PM sent, PM sent. So they're using a funnel, using a direct ad with no call to action in terms of linking to a website, which makes ads way more cheaper, and they're getting a lot more engagement with their followers doing this way. Boom, killer way to replicate a really highly converting ad. Here's an example I've done of make money. So anyone that's in the make money industry that wants to do affiliate marketing and promoting online products, perfect for you. Again, I've used ClickFunnels here. I can see all the marketers around the world. Here's Anthony, my good friend. Bunch of guys around the world that are doing ads that are getting really high engagement on their ad itself. So let's use this example here of Grant Cardone. I can click see more here to see what the text is. Get your free copy, and this is again a great way to learn what ad text to use, what call to action text to use, what imagery to use, so you don't have to do the guesswork. This one is dominating 2.3 thousand likes. I can see it's been targeted towards males in the United States. Again, for this one here, I can see the call to action. I can see how long the ad's been run for, and I can then click on this to get the free booklet itself, and then go ahead and have a look at this funnel. Now again, beautifully designed through ClickFunnels here, but again, you use any funnel software. But the beauty of Advertsuite, it can show you the exact funnels of the most highly converting ads themselves. Let's just do one more example here. Let's search for e-commerce. So if I wanted to start an e-commerce business, I'm already in an e-commerce business, whatever it might be, you can search for all the ads running to a Shopify store, a Magneto store, or a WooCommerce store. Now for this one, I'm not even going to enter a keyword. I just want to see all the ads running to Shopify. These ads display right away for me. I can scroll down and see what the most highly converting products are, if they're free plus shipping, if they're from AliExpress. This one stands out to me here, 952,000 likes on this piece of content. Let's have a look at this. Read more. Very simple ad with a call to action link in their text, so they're not linking out from the ad itself, which means it's a cheaper ad to run, because if you take a user from Facebook outside, it's going to cost you a little bit more. But this here will cost them next to nothing to run. They're saying tag someone who would love this. 57,000 people have tagged someone who likes this, right? If I want to then see the landing page here, the landing page, so they're selling this for $22 on a Shopify store. Now, let's just take this textured glow-in-the-dark necklace. Let's search this on AliExpress. That's it. Boom, right there, the exact same product for 70 cents to 90 cents, 92 cents there. And they're selling it for 24 bucks, 22 bucks, whatever it was over there, making a huge return on investment. And this is selling like crazy. Now, again, you can do this over and over and over again, scrolling through all of these different Shopify ads. Again, you can target it more by targeting for keywords. So say I want to look for tennis products that are e-commerce, I can do that. Whatever it is, Advertsuite delivers that for you. It shows you the audience of the engaged users, and then finally the landing page, so you can then simply go in, replicate the ads that work, so you don't need to spend any money on ads that don't work, and start making an amazing return on investment. Again, there's a full training inside of how to set your ads up and everything like that. But let's jump back to the studio so I can show you how I'll double your money back if this does